Hello everyone, I'm Vijaya. Today I'll be going to explain the notification dated 3rd July 2026. So subject of this notification is National Entrepreneurship Challenge Junior NEC Junior, an initiative by eSale IIT Bombay regarding the entrepreneurship sale of IIT Bombay was announced NEC Junior 2026, a national level entrepreneurship initiative designed to help schools establish entrepreneurship clubs and foster innovation, leadership, creativity, and entrepreneurial thinking among students. The program aims to create strong culture of entrepreneurship in schools through structured activities, mentorship, workshops, and experiential learning opportunities. About NEC Junior. NEC Junior is a 6-month school entrepreneurship initiative that enables schools to establish and nurture entrepreneurship clubs. The program offers entrepreneurship clubs building framework, innovation and ideation activities, a teacher training program to guide faculty coordinators, Eureka Junior Challenge for students, workshops, learning sessions, and bootcamps. Certification from eSale IIT Bombay for eligible schools, teachers, and students. Program details, registration deadline 15th July 2026, duration July 2026 to December 2026. Eligibility, schools with students from classes 6 to 12th. Participation fee free of cost. Mode online with the grand final to be held offline at IIT Bombay in the second week of December. Registration process. A school may register at the link is given on this. You are going to link your school. A school should have 1 to 2 representatives who should be the teachers of the school. Teacher representatives should complete the registration form with the required details. After the registration deadline, a teacher's orientation will be conducted to give a brief about the NEC Junior program and guidelines for the same. So here teachers are going to register first and then they are going to give orientation. For more information, kindly refer to the following resources. The resources are given, brochure is given, website link is given. We request all heads of schools to circulate this information widely among the students and the staffs and encourage participation in this initiative by eSale, IIT Bombay. For queries, please contact event and PR head, eSale, IIT Bombay, email. The email is given to whom you are going to contact. Now let us see what is given in the website link. So website link is open and let us see what is there. National Entrepreneurship Challenge, that is Junior. It has been given. Then NEC Junior, National Entrepreneurship Challenge Junior is a 6-month competition by eSale IIT Bombay where participants establish and run an entrepreneurship club to promote innovation and entrepreneurial thinking, guided by a teacher and a team of students. Participants organize activities and events that provide early exposure to entrepreneurship while developing leadership, critical thinking, problem solving, and teamwork skill. Next is here you are going to register and log in. What is the vision? It is India's first ever entrepreneurship cell establishment program showing the seeds of an entrepreneurial mindset and cultivating leadership skills in students aspiring to provide early awareness and exposure to the entrepreneurial world, nurturing entrepreneurship from its grassroots and laying the foundation for a thriving entrepreneurial ecosystem, propelling India into a future defined by innovation and enterprise. About eSale. eSale is what? The entrepreneurship cell or IIT Bombay is Asia's largest student-run non-profit organization dedicated to fostering entrepreneurship with a legacy spanning 28 years. It has positively impacted millions across India and beyond. Next is this is the registrations. Then these are the registration 1500 plus, clubs established 300 plus, and cities reach 120 plus. Timeline is given here. 20th May registration starts. Then 15th July registration deadline. Third week of July teachers training program. Then July to October club formation phase. Last week of September workshop will be there. 31st October announcement of finalist. Then E-Summit 2026 grand final. Now incentives are given over here. So first of all, we are going to see, just a moment. It has been given Oswald rewards. The top teams will receive, just a moment. The top teams will receive vouchers, then free Eat Summit passes, then media coverage will be there, then boot camps will be there, and workshops. Then last is certification. Cash prizes, the top performing team will be receive cash prizes in lakhs. Then exclusive incentives, participant will receive exciting incentives. Right track to AI. All NEC junior participants will receive up to 50% discount on right track AI paid plans, while the top teams will receive complimentary pro access. So what are the rules and guidelines? Team limitations. Each participating school may register only one official team to participate in and represent the school throughout NEC Junior 2026. Representatives, every school must nominate 1 to 2 teacher representatives, 2 preferred, who will serve as mentors and primary points to contact throughout the program. Orientation, nominated teachers will attend a teacher orientation session to receive an overview of NEC Junior program expectations and implementation guidelines. Task submission guidelines. All assigned tasks must be submitted in the prescribed templates provided by ECEL, IIT Bombay, and within the specified deadlines for each task. Certification eligibility certificate will be awarded only to schools that successfully complete the club formation phase and fulfill all program requirements. Now, what kind of FAQs are there? Can a school have more than one registration? Is there any registration fees? No, the registration fees is not there. Then I am a student and want this program to run in my school. What should I do? Such kind of FAQs are also given. Contact us. The contact people are given you here. You can contact them. This is all about the website. Now let us see the brochure. What is being there in the brochure? This is the brochure. NEC Junior National Entrepreneurship Challenge Junior 2026-27. About ECEL IIT Bombay. ECEL stands for Entrepreneurship Cell of the Indian Institute of Technology Bombay. We are a completely student-run non-profit organization. In 27 years, we have become Asia's largest student-run entrepreneurship promoting organization. Our main aim is to cultivate the spirit of entrepreneurship across the country and to help enthusiasts to grow their idea and conduct multiple competitions and initiatives that cater to every category of the entrepreneurship community. Next is what is NEC Junior? NEC Junior is a 6-month program by ECEL, IIT Bombay, that helps schools establish their own entrepreneurship clubs. It offers mentorships, workshops, and activities to build essential skills like creativity, problem solving, and leadership. Aligned with NEP 2020, the initiative promotes innovation, and entrepreneurial thinking among students. The program is completely free and aims to foster a strong entrepreneurial ecosystem within the schools across India. Why NEC Junior? NEC Junior is essential because it introduces students to entrepreneurship early, helping them to develop real world skill often missing in traditional education. It fosters leadership, creativity, and teamwork by encouraging students to run their own e-sales. These entrepreneurship clubs help sustain a long-term culture of innovation and initiative within schools. Aligned with NEP 2020, the program offers mentorship from IIT Bombay's eSale and is completely free, making future-ready skill like problem solving and adaptability accessible to all. Next is phase 1 registrations. Registration for NEC Junior 2026 are being conducted online through or our official website and are completely free of cost. The program is open to schools with students from classes 6 to 12. Schools can participate by nominating 1 or 2 teachers to represent their institution in the competition. Registrations are currently open. Interested schools simply need to click on the register button on the website and fill in the required detail to complete their application. For registration and the detail esale.in /NEC Junior. Phase 2 Teachers Training Program. We believe that fostering entrepreneurship among teachers is just as important as introducing it to students. A single teacher has the power to influence hundreds of young minds, making educator one of the most effective catalysts for building an entrepreneurial culture within school. To support this vision, NEC Junior conducts an online teachers training program led by eSale IIT Bombay. The program equips teachers with the fundamentals of entrepreneurship and leadership along with the resources and guidance needed to mentor students and inspire entrepreneurial thinking throughout the school community. Phase 3 Club Building. The club building phase of NEC Junior is designed to help schools establish and sustain effective entrepreneurship clubs. Through a series of structured tasks and guided activities, students and teachers work together to create a strong foundation for entrepreneurship within their school. These tasks are aligned with common school events and competitions. While focusing specifically on entrepreneurial thinking and leadership, step by step, participants build a club that fosters creativity, teamwork, and problem solving, creating a lasting culture of innovation and initiative in the school community. Phase 4 Finals. The finals of NSC Junior 2026 will be held at IIT Bombay during eSummit 2026, the flagship entrepreneurship conclave of eSale. IIT Bombay shortlisted schools from across India will complete its rounds designed to test their creativity, problem solving, and entrepreneurial abilities. Based on their overall performance, the top performing schools will be awarded cash prize, certificate, and exclusive incentive from eSale Bombay. Role of teachers. Official representatives of their schools in NEC Junior learn the fundamentals of entrepreneurship and leadership, mentor and guide students throughout the program, conduct entrepreneurship related tasks and activities within their school over a period of 3 months. Submit a progress report with supporting evidences for each task. Incentives for teachers. Learn entrepreneurship and leadership skills. Become part of national entrepreneurship community of educators. Receive certification, recognition, and mentorship. Lead student in a national level competition. Win cash prizes and exclusive incentives. Incentives for school. Develop an entrepreneurial mindset among students. Receive certification from eSale IIT Bombay. Provide teachers with entrepreneurship and leadership training. Win cash prizes and exclusive incentives. Gain media visibility across the digital new channels and platforms. Incentives for students. Develop entrepreneurial and leadership skills. Receive certificates from eSale IIT Bombay. Win cash prizes and exclusive incentives. Opportunity to attend eSummit 2026 at IIT Bombay. This is the detailed information about this NEC So I hope all of you have understood what all those things are important for this National Entrepreneurship Challenge Junior 2026-27. If you are really thinking that you are getting updated and you are getting uh, information related to CBSE and other things, it is a kind request to all of you. Just subscribe my channel and keep updated yourself with the latest news. Thank you.